Today we're going to be looking at where to find Canvas feedback given by teachers to student assignments. We're also going to be looking at where to find instructions for specific assignments and where to find course announcements. Once you have clicked on the Canvas course you wish to view, any announcements that the teacher has posted will be at the very top of the home page. You can view the details of the announcement by clicking on the announcement itself. To view feedback given by teachers to student assignments, start by clicking on Grades on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you do, a list of all the assignments given by the teacher that semester will appear. To find specific feedback, you can click on the specific assignment, and to the right of the screen will be any comments that the teacher has left for your student to see, as well as a place for your student to respond with any questions or concerns. You can also view feedback on specific assignments by clicking View Feedback in the right-hand corner, and any feedback that the teacher has given on the assignment will appear. Another way to view feedback given by a teacher is to go to the modules and find the specific assignment you're looking for feedback on. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see the submission that you made or your student made. Then you can click on Comments. Any comments that the teacher made will be here, as well as any comments that you would like to make back to the teacher can be done here. If a teacher leaves feedback on the assignment itself, the feedback will be on the submission itself. Lots of teachers give feedback in different ways, and it can all be found in the two ways that I've just shown you. To find instructions given for specific assignments, you can do the same thing. Go to the modules and find the specific assignment you're looking for. Once you click on it, scroll down, and any detailed instructions the teacher gives will be here. If ever you have questions about any feedback given on assignments to your student, or any questions you have about the instructions given on an assignment, please reach out to your student's teacher via email or however they choose to be contacted.